Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fill letters with photos and patterns in Cricut Design Space. Let's go ahead and get started. First, we're going to go to Upload, and we're going to hit on Upload Pattern. To insert the pattern we want to use, I'm going to use this tie-dye pattern. You can name it or add themes or styles if you want, and then hit Save. This part might take a little bit. Okay, now we can close out of this. Next, we want to insert our text. You can change the font if you need to. Now we're going to come up here to Fill and click on this and change it to Print. We're going to click on the color block next to it, change the print type to Pattern. Now you can select the pattern we just uploaded. This might take another minute. And as you can see, it filled our word with the pattern. This tie-dye was not a seamless pattern, so you can see here in the middle where the pattern starts and ends. I don't really like how that looks, so I'm going to edit the design. I'm going to select the text and come back up here to our pattern and click on Edit Pattern. In this screen, you can change the size of the image within the text. You can change the direction the image is and the rotation. I'm just going to play around with this until I like how it looks. When you're done, you can just exit out. If you're happy with how your image is inserted into your text, you can now print and cut it. Click on Make It, and this will take you to the print and cut page. Once in the print and cut page, you will see there's a rectangle around our text. This is the print and cut area. You can now follow the rest of the prompts to finalize the print and cut. I'm going to go ahead and close out of this and show you another way to fill your text using your own photos. This is a great technique to use in your projects for memorial pieces and gifts for family. I already uploaded the photo I'm going to use for this, so I'm just going to insert a letter to show you how to do this. We're going to do the same thing as before. Come up here to Fill and change it to Print. Click on the color block, change to Pattern. I'm going to select my photo. And as you can see, it's showing 4 of my photos in the letter E. So I'm going to need to edit this. And when you're editing one of your personal photos like this and you're putting it in a letter, it's going to take a lot longer to edit it because you're wanting a specific part to show. So when you do this, make sure you have plenty of time to mess around with all of these edits in this screen, because it might take a while before you figure out how it looks best in your letter. I'm just trying to make it so we can see the most of the photo as possible. It's a lot of trial and error on this part. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. So I actually did a monogram already with the photos that I had uploaded before I started the tutorial to speed things up, since that part does take so long to edit the photo within the letter. So this was my finished result. Because my photos had white backgrounds, I went ahead and added a shadow around my text to make my letters pop more. I recently made a video on how to do this, so I will link that below in case you need to check that out. That's everything for today's tutorial. I hope it was easy enough for you to follow. Let me know if you have any questions below and I'll do my best to help you out. Check the description for a free PDF with instructions for today's tutorial, and I will also add a link to the font I used today and a link to the tie-dye pattern, which is actually a free download, so be sure to grab that. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.